In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Search in Outlook to find emails fast. Navigating through a packed inbox can often feel daunting, but mastering the search functionality in Outlook can streamline this process, saving you time and energy. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you have your inbox ready to go on your screen. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the Outlook window. You'll notice a search box prominently placed, designed specifically to help you sift through potentially thousands of emails quickly and seamlessly. Clicking on this search box is your first step. This action activates the search function, allowing you to input specific criteria that Outlook will use to filter your emails. Now you may wonder, what kind of information will help narrow down your search? This box works effectively with a variety of inputs. Let's start with the sender's name. If you're trying to locate emails from a specific individual, typing their name into the search box can instantly filter results, displaying only messages you've received from them. It's a quick way to pinpoint communications from colleagues, friends, or clients without purging through unrelated emails. Next, you may want to search by the subject of an email. Often, when looking for a specific topic or a thread, inputting a few keywords from the subject line can be immensely helpful. This method is particularly beneficial when recalling details from ongoing projects, newsletters, or notifications carrying specific titles you're interested in. Additionally, keywords within the email body can serve as an excellent search criterion. Perhaps you remember a particular word or phrase occurring in an email, such as a project name, an event detail, or a unique term that stands out. By typing this keyword into the search box, Outlook can retrieve emails that contain this specific word, helping you quickly locate the information you need without extensive searching. Finally, entering an email address directly into the search box serves as a highly precise method to locate emails from or to a particular contact. This option is particularly useful for filtering interactions with specific individuals if you're trying to track conversation history or gather correspondences for review. As soon as you enter any of these details, Outlook springs into action, instantly filtering through your emails and presenting you with the most relevant results. This near-immediate feedback makes the search tool a powerful ally in managing your emails. Remember, effective searching in Outlook not only improves efficiency, but also helps reduce the stress of dealing with a cluttered inbox. Make use of these tips to keep your email interactions smooth and easy. By optimizing your use of this function, you ensure that no email ever eludes you, allowing for faster communication and a more organized digital workspace.